Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook password once you are logged in. So let's start. But before moving forward, you have to remember that you cannot see your password on the Facebook app. If you have saved your Facebook login credentials on Google Password Manager, only then you can see your password once you are logged in. Now let's move on. First, open the Gmail app. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Now swipe left and tap on Security. Now keep scrolling down. Here you will see Password Manager. Tap on that. Just like I have said before, if your Facebook credentials are saved on your Google Password Manager, then you will see your Facebook option here. All you have to do is tap on Facebook, and then you will see your Facebook login credentials, your email, as well as your password. Only from here you can see your password of Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.